guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Before we get into the video, make sure you're already subscribed to my channel. Make sure you turn on the post notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video. It's like I can't do no wrong. Let me catch a vibe that's just take our time. Just relax your mind and take it easy.
Back up because I keep trying to focus and defocus. But anyways, I'm trying to upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but I did miss the last 2 days, which this is supposed to be out today, but this might not actually be out until next week Monday, and then y'all will see some other videos before then, know for sure. So yeah, just giving y'all the little spiel on why I missed a couple days. Well, I ain't really tell y'all why, but that's what happened or whatever. So today I decided to do a tutorial on my favorite lip combos because I get a lot of compliments on my lip combo video, like my top 3 go-to nude lips or whatever. And I honestly do not know what shade lip liner this is. Y'all can just go out and find the best lip liner that you can find. I think it's from Nika K, but NYX also has really good lip liners all the time. Like, just get, I think they have one named Chocolate, or either Kiss does, like, you know, just any brown lip liner. Throughout this video I'm gonna be using a brown lip liner the whole time, and then I'm gonna change up my little nudes though. So I'm about to go ahead and take this lip off. I actually have this on all day, so that's why I look a little dry, and then I'm gonna go ahead and refresh with a new color. My lips is a little crusty, but that is okay. And most of y'all know I smoke, so that's why my lips are darker than what they usually are, because I smoke backwoods. And I need to start smoking papers, and I plan on making me a whole lip scrub and seeing if it works to lighten up my lips. And if it do, I'm gonna put y'all hip to, you know, all my smokers out there, because it's actually very common nowadays, so don't act like I'm the only one that be chiefing. I think this might be the Nika K in the shade Cocoa or Coffee or something. I like to just pop my lips together so the color can smear out, and then I'm going to using the Kylie Jenner Built to Last lipstick. This is one of my nude shades, or whatever you want to call it, I don't know. So you see how it's like too pink right now? When I do that, I usually go back in with the lip pencil and blend out the edges. Okay, I feel like the colors are blended, and then I'm going to put a gloss on top. So the gloss I'm gonna use is the Kylie Jenner Blow Me Away gloss. It's like a shimmer gloss. I have to zoom my camera out, so hopefully y'all can see it well enough. Once I edit the video, I'm gonna definitely zoom in. So yeah, this is the first shade, and I really think it's, you know, cute nude. Like, I don't know, all the nudes kind of look the same to me, but kind of different. So it's just depending on how you're feeling that day, how your makeup is. And sorry I keep looking up, I'm looking in the mirror just to see how my lips is so I can make sure it's right for y'all. But yeah, this is definitely one of my go-tos that wear this like all the time. And yeah, let's start with the next one. So now we're gonna take the same brown lip liner. next I'm going to be using the NYX Lingerie Shimmer Gloss in the shade Shy. Now this one is already kind of like a shimmer gloss, so I don't need to put any like extra gloss on top of it. I kind of just leave it like this, and I feel like it's real like simple, like fall, winter, dark tone kind of look. So yeah, I think it's cute. Close up. I feel like I gave y'all my top 2 nude lip combos, so I'm gonna do one more. I actually haven't done this lip combo, but I just want to test it out and see how it comes out. So why not do it on camera, because I just got an idea for like if you really want to go nude with no like harsh brown lip liner. So now the lip liner I'm going to be using and testing out is the NYX lip liner in the shade Toast. So this is a lighter brown, so let's see. I'm going to be using Victoria's Secret lip crayon, and this is in the shade, I don't know, it doesn't have a shade on here, it just says satin lip crayon. So I'll show y'all what it looks like. Y'all, what are you saying? I feel like this is so cute. Why have I not ever done this before? This one is more nude, more simple, like subtle. So I really like this. And it's like creamy. I decided to do one more look for y'all, and this is my everyday go-to. I basically did the brown lip liner and then put some glitter gloss on top of it, and you know, this is the everyday one for real. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know if y'all want me to do any other lip combinations as far as in like pinks or red or burgundies or any other color for real. Like, you know, I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of good with lip combinations. You know, I get y'all together for real. But anyways, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share my channel with your friends and your family. And I will see y'all in my next video. Make sure you have that post notification on so you will know every time I upload, because it's every week. And yeah, thank y'all for watching. Bye.
1, 2, 3. Make you feel like it, make you wanna